This new platform offers you Seedance 2.0 mini, the newest Seedance. During the weekend, I tested this platform step by step on different prompts, different images, and all of that, right? So I saw some down parts and I'm going to tell you in this video the reason why you shouldn't skip this video. And also it offers us daily credit. I will show you every credit that this platform offers. So let's go. I went on to try to use this platform to generate some videos, use some prompts on it, and I was so impressed with the results, just like you are seeing here. You can see how realistic this looks. The results are incredibly insane, guys. You need to try this out. Now I'm going to show you how you can use this platform. And not just that, I tried the first prompt thinking that it's not going to really come out as it should. I went on to the second prompt just to see the result on the platform, and I'm not capping, the results are more than what I was expecting. And you can see we are also giving free credit to literally use on this platform. So when I logged in, I received a free credit. When I created a video, I received a bonus credit. Now look at the history, credit history here. I'm not advertising this platform. This is me doing my research. Like I said, I'll keep bringing more tools to us so we can keep using. So this platform offers us free daily credit. You can see, right? So go ahead and try this platform. It's okay, step by step. Or now you can use this platform. I was just testing the platform before I can put it out here for you to be sure that indeed we can generate videos using the latest Seedance, and the generation cost is just 20 credits per generation if you are using the newest model. Now we are going to see how much other models like Seedance 2.0 fast, Seedance 2.0 really cost on this platform. So guys, without much ado, let's get to it. Alright, so now check it out. I've used my credit. So I now went on. Now this prompt, I use it from ChatGPT. Okay, now you can see if you click on this sign, I want to see text to image to video, first, last, frame to video. So depending on what you want to create. Now open the model. I want to see all the versions of models. Okay, Seedance 2.0 and others. Then you can go ahead and select your aspect ratio, and go ahead and just leverage on the platform and see it yourself, then send it. Now let's watch the results on this platform first.
I miss you.
And now you can see there is no watermark as at now. So go ahead and use this platform. No watermark at all. So while we still have access to this platform and while they are still offering us daily credit, please use this platform. I was able to generate more videos with the 80 credits. I was able to generate up to more than 4 videos. Okay. Now if your prompt is correct, that is the reason why before you start using this platform, make sure your prompt is correct. You don't make mistakes so that you don't waste credit. Now you see every time we generate, confirm how much credit is remaining. Okay, so at this moment I didn't just stop using just text to video. Okay, I tried using image to video to really see if this platform supports image to video. The down part is this platform do not support image to video, the image that has your real face. Okay, if your face like this kind of image, it didn't accept it, but it can literally generate text to video. So try this out and let me know in the comment section. Now you want to go ahead and try it out yourself. Now when I tried it using a reference image, it was loading. At some point I was thinking it was going to generate, but hey, the bad news, it cannot generate. It failed. So I tried again, and each trial your credit goes. Okay, so stop wasting credit at the moment until you are sure that the image you want to use will pass the platform. I'm still doing my research. The moment this platform release their image to video and it can accept, or whenever I'm able to find out how to use a real face to generate, you'll be the first to know. That's the reason why subscribe to this channel, turn the post notification so don't miss my next upload. I'm still doing my research on this. This is like a new platform that I just discovered. I had to quickly put it out here for you to start using at the moment. So let's say this platform was basically and mostly text to video with sound, with audio. The realism is crazy. Now every time you failed generation, your credit goes. You don't want to waste credit, right? So make sure at the moment you can use text to video and run on the platform. Let me know what you think about this platform, and let me know if you'll be trying this out. Your first generation, you're going to see this error message. When you see this error message, please don't panic. I will show you how to do that. Now once you click on my document, I want to see all the bonuses, okay, delivered to you. You have daily credit of 10 credits every day, and you have bonus credit that is constant. Most times you have more than this, right? So now we want to see the video we just generated, because we've generated something before now. Click on that chat history. You're going to see the image or the video you generated. Now open it. That is where you're going to find your face generation. Now this is for those people that will be using this platform for the first time. You will always have an error message. Try again with a text to video prompt. It will go through. This is how you navigate around this platform, and the error message is not from you, it's from the platform. That's how the platform works. I was trying different prompts. Okay, I was trying different prompts, the camera movement, the realism in the, the eye movement, the body motion, the camera, everything was just so clean and perfect. Guys, try this out. Let me know in the comment section how this makes you feel. So guys, so after you're done generating, every day this platform refreshes with 30 credits every single day. So it gives you 30 daily credit. How much other platform really cost? Okay, so I'll click on this new project. If you want to start a new, once you sign up to this platform, right, once you click on this new project, it's going to bring you here where you have to start generating. No, so now look down here, you're going to see AI image, AI video. So what we are here for is AI video. So click on it. You're going to see that we have, like we already know, this one is text to text and image to video. You can literally upload your reference character, but like I said, I'm still working on how to use a reference character that is accepted on this platform. So for the meantime, use it as image, as text to video. And all right, so let's proceed to check out how much each of these Seedance is on this platform. Now before you start, so that you don't waste your credit. All right, so Seedance 2.0 mini, this is the latest, is 10 credit, is 20 credits per generation. You can see this, right? All right, so with 480p resolution, okay, and 5 seconds long video. All right, so Seedance 2.0 is how much? 25 credits per generation with the same settings. Okay, let's move. And Seedance 1.5 Pro, this is amazing because Seedance 1.5 Pro is 10 credits. So I don't know why everybody is running after the latest model. The smart ones will always go for the ones that are not really that popular but still delivery quality. So this gives us 10 credits. So you can see with 80 credit that this platform is giving you plus additional bonus, it means you can generate and complete your entire project. Okay, so now we proceed. Now this one is Seedance 2.0. That is the big one. All right, now this is 40 credits. You see, that is the highest. So the least on this platform, the least credit on this platform under the Seedance model is Seedance 1.5 Pro. Now you can take your time and go through this. Now we have View 3.1 Ultra. Let's see how much. 200 credits. You can't beat that. All right, so now View 3 is 200 credits too. So you see, the least model on this platform is Seedance. So guys, jump on this and create while we are still having access to this. I just say, let me just alert you.